That's right, guys. It's me, James Sweeney, right here on a great day in NYC. And guess what? I'm still a little bit under the weather. Very sad. But there is some good news. Besides me being in Brooklyn, besides me being outside, it is after 4 o'clock. The markets are officially closed. We're more than halfway through the week. And guess what? You know what time it is. It's time for me to have a shot. It's time for me to have a shot of that brand name daytime cough and flu syrup, that whose brand name I obviously can't say, and the rest of that, and I actually really need this really bad. So with the combination of everything I just said, if I can even remember it, it's happy hour in New York City. Cheers. Now, U.S. stocks, they turned lower Wednesday afternoon, following the S&P 500's biggest jump in 1 year, as investors took in reports of a fatal shooting of a soldier in Ottawa, Canada, followed by reports of gunfire in the halls of Canada's parliament, and with oil prices falling to a more than 2-year low. So let's first begin with a big story today. A military guard died after getting shot at the National War Memorial in Ottawa, Canada, with multiple rounds then reportedly fired at the adjacent Parliament building. The gunfire followed increased worry about terrorist attacks in Canada, where a racial jihadist ran over 2 soldiers in a suburb of Montreal on Monday, killing 1. Now, back here in the United States, on the data front, U.S. consumer prices inched higher last month as energy prices dipped. The Labor Department's Consumer Price Index, that edged higher 0.1% in September after falling 0.2% the previous month, which was August. Now you team that with a series of quarterly earnings reports and crude oil futures for December, turning lower, down nearly $2 to $80.52 a barrel, its lowest level, get this, since June 2012, and you have yourself the following session where for every share rising, more than 2 declined over at the New York Stock Exchange, way back there in the distance and a little bit to the left. Let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out this session, marking the more than halfway point through the trading week. Meanwhile, on the corporate front, Boeing declining after the plane manufacturing company reported quarterly results as analysts began to question the cost of its 787 Dreamliner. And Yahoo rising after the search engine reported quarterly results that beat expectations. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, fingers crossed. I know I've been saying it every single time. I hope I do feel better in the morning because, hey, we're officially halfway through the week and Friday is right around the corner and I want to feel better for the weekend. You know what I'm saying? And until tomorrow morning, from ModernWallStreet.com, trying to stay healthy, or at least try not to get extremely sick, I'm James Sweeney. Remember, it's happy hour in New York City. Cheers.